Hi there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a basic baby hat. And for this tutorial, I'm going to use the pattern for the Preemie baby hat. But on my website, Crafting Happiness, you have all the sizes from Preemie to Toddler. So let's get started. For this pattern, I am using double knit yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. My hat uses single crochet stitches, but you can use any yarn you like and any stitch you like, as long as you keep in mind the diameter of the hat should be about 3.5 inches in diameter. So as long as your beginning circle is about 3.5 inches in diameter, you are fine to use any yarn or any stitch you like. I use a double knit because you want a lighter hat for your baby. So let's start with the first round, and we will make a magic ring, and in that magic ring make 6 single crochet stitches. And 6, and now take this yarn end and pull, so you will close the magic ring like so. And this is your first round, and we will now be closing our rounds. We will crochet in a spiral, much like amigurumi patterns. So let's continue with the second round, and for this you might need a stitch marker or a piece of yarn to mark the beginning and end of each round. I have a piece of yarn. I'll just put it here, then I know when my round is finished. So now round 2, we will be increasing in each stitch, and increasing in amigurumi and working in a round means that you make 2 stitches into the same stitch. So make 2 single crochet into the first stitch. That's 1 and 2, and this counts as an increase. Now we will be increasing in each of these 6 stitches. And this is how the second round looks like. Now your total count should be 12 stitches. Let's continue with the third round, and in this round we are still increasing, so we are basically creating a flat circle, but this time we increase every other stitch. So your first stitch is an increase, so 2 single crochet into the first stitch, and then into the next we make just 1 single crochet. And this is your repeat section right here. I'll show it one more time. Increase, single crochet. So again, make an increase into the next stitch, and then a single crochet in next, and repeat this around. And this is how your third round looks like, and your stitch count should be 18 stitches. Now again, you can see how this circle is flat. We will continue with this circle and continue with the fourth round where we will increase after 2 stitches. So we are going to make an increase in the first stitch, 2 single crochet in the first stitch, then into the next 2 stitches make a single crochet. and this is your repeat section, meaning that you repeat these stitches over and over around your work until you reach the end of the round marked by this piece of yarn. So one more time, an increase into next, so 2 single crochet, and then a single crochet in next 2 stitches. And this is how your fourth round looks like, and the stitch count is 24 stitches. Now we continue. We need a bigger circle, remember, about 3.5 inches, about 9 centimeters in diameter. So let's continue with the next round, and in this one we are doing the same thing but after 3 stitches. So 2 single crochet in next, and then into the next 3 stitches make a single crochet. Like so. And again repeat this for 5 stitches all around your work by making an increase, which is 2 single crochet, and then single crochet into the next 3 stitches. And this is your 5th round, and your stitch count should be 30 stitches. On round 6 we will make an increase, and then we will make a single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, and 4, like so. And now we repeat this group of stitches 6 times in total all around your circle. Start with an increase, and then single crochet into the next 4 stitches. Like this. And now I finish this round, and this is how it looks like. It still looks like a circle, very flat. We have one more round, I think, and in round 7 again we will be increasing to keep this circle flat. So make a increase, 2 double crochet, and then into the next 5 stitches make a single crochet. So this is your repeat section. Double crochet, 2 single crochet in the first, then single crochet in next 5. Let me show you one more repeat. 2 single crochet in next stitch, and then 1 single crochet in next 5 stitches. That's 3, 4, and 5. Now continue this all around until the end of the round, and I'll come back to you at the end of round 7. And this is your round 7, and your stitch count will be 42 stitches around. Now continue with round 8. Again, we are going to make this circle bigger by making an increase into the first stitch, and then we make a single crochet in each of the next 6 stitches. So 6 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And just like the other rounds, this is your repeat section, increase, and then 6 single crochet in next. repeat this around until the end of the round. At the end of round 8 you will have 48 stitches around. Now on to our last increase round, which is round 9. Again we will make an increase in first, so that is 2 single crochet, and then a single crochet in each of the next 7 stitches. That is number 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And again, this is a repeat section, just like the other rounds. Repeat this around 6 times in total until the end of the round. And our last round is complete. This is the circle, and it should measure about 9 centimeters or about 3.5 inches. So let's see. So about 9 centimeters, yeah, and 3.5 inches in diameter. Now to make sure it fits, if your yarn is different or your hook is different, measure the top of the baby's head and make that circle the same diameter, and from there we will continue with the next 13 rounds, which are just single crochet stitches, and that will create the height of the hat. Now your total count here is 54 stitches, and in the next rounds you don't have to count stitches or rounds, and I will show you how to do it, so you just enjoy you know, your favorite show, listen to your favorite podcast. You don't have to count stitches. So when you use this piece of yarn and crochet around, don't even start counting stitches, just make your single crochet in each, and then I'll show you what I do, so you don't have to count the rounds either. So I'll meet you at the end after you make the 13 rounds of single crochet. So what you do is basically just single crochet in each of the stitches like so, and make 13 rounds. So I'll meet you at the end and I'll show you what to do so you don't have to count your rounds. Alright, so I have finished my 30 rounds, and this is what I do so I don't have to count rounds. So every time I finish a round, I just move the yarn on the other side of my work, and then go into the next round. I move this way, and then next round this way, and this will make a line here from which I can count my rounds and not have to count every time. So you just start from your first round and have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 13 rounds. And this is my trick for not having to count your stitches or rounds. And now the Preemie baby hat is finished. This is how it looks like. And if you want to see the written pattern for the Preemie and all the way up to Toddler, so 6 different patterns, go to my website Crafting Happiness, and you'll have the free patterns right there. I will put the link in the description below for your convenience. So this is the tutorial. This is how to crochet basic baby hat. If you have any questions about this pattern, feel free to ask me in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to help you. Happy crocheting!